The OBDPEAK K60 Pro is a revolutionary AI-powered dash cam and GPS navigation system that redefines in-car technology. Built on a new generation chip, it runs on the Android 14 operating system with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM, delivering 70% faster performance than the previous T30 model. This advanced system supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to make calls, send and receive messages, and use navigation apps seamlessly. One of the standout features of the K60 Pro is its full-screen gesture control, an innovation that enhances usability by mimicking the touch gestures used on modern smartphones. With a simple swipe left or right, users can switch between applications, while swiping down opens the taskbar, and swiping up returns to the home screen. This intuitive control system allows for safer interaction while driving, reducing distractions. The 11.3-inch 2.5D IPS touchscreen provides a large, vibrant display, ensuring a clear and responsive interface for navigation and media playback. The dual-lens 1080p HD camera system offers comprehensive video coverage for both the front and rear of the vehicle. The front and rear lenses, rear camera sold separately, capture high-definition video with enhanced clarity, ensuring detailed recordings in all driving conditions. The full-screen reversing feature automatically activates the rear camera when reversing, offering a wide-angle, crystal-clear view that aids in parking and enhances safety during low-visibility conditions like rain or fog. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, users can connect their smartphones via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, providing hands-free access to essential functions like navigation, messaging, and audio. The wireless mirror link feature supports both AirPlay and Android Wireless Mirror, allowing you to mirror your smartphone's screen directly onto the K60 Pro display. The K60 Pro also delivers high-fidelity audio output, offering multiple sound output options through AUX, FM transmission, and Bluetooth audio. Whether you prefer a wired connection or wireless streaming, the system ensures premium sound quality. The included AUX cable allows for direct integration with your vehicle's audio system, while the FM transmission feature broadcasts sound to your car's FM radio. Navigation is made easier with the built-in GPS module, supporting 2 modes: real-time navigation via CarPlay or Android Auto and offline navigation through downloadable maps from the Google Play Store. This dual approach ensures uninterrupted navigation whether you're connected to the internet or not. Another key feature is the remote update capability. With this feature, OBDPEAK can remotely deliver software updates, fix bugs, and enhance system performance without requiring physical access to the device.